up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabsome besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. The Mariah Carey doll is on her way. I set a timer. Where I live, the drop was at midnight. I was on the computer, hit checkout. Wait for the confirmation. Yes! Now we need a backdrop. Let's use foam board to make a quick hidden doll room. My foam board measures 20 by 30 inches. I have it laying long ways, and we're gonna cut 3 inches off the top. So it now measures 17 by 30 inches. And of course, you can adjust the height to fit your preference. Measure over 10 inches and cut the board. Repeat to make 3 17 by 10 inch rectangles. Lightly sketch a few rectangles. Cut on the lines drawn to make windows. I cut windows from all 3 boards. Take clear plastic from packaging. Cut and glue it to the back of the windows. By cutting my window into sections, I don't have to search for a large piece of clear plastic. I can use several smaller ones. Once we have the walls, I take one that I will use in the center and glue 5-inch boards on sides. Then I glue another rectangle on for the floor. Actually, let's cover it with scrapbook paper. Now we can glue it in place. Let's take some white fabric. I cut 6 rectangles the length of the walls and a little over 5 inches wide. I fold over the ends and glue them down. I glue them on the sides of the windows, making soft pleats to look like curtains. On the other windows, I leave a little extra hanging over the edge on one side, and I glue it onto the inside of the center box, making a side wall that can fold both ways. So when this box room is open, we have a 30-inch backdrop, and when it's time to put it away, we can fold in the sides, both sides, giving us a box that takes up 10.5 by about 6.5 inches. Glue together leftover foam board, cover it with scrapbook paper to make a floor extension, creating a space that looks like we are inside and we have a lovely, beautiful, snowy view. We can add a tree, add lights, add decorations like pipe cleaners, beads or tiny bulbs, buttons, and a few presents under the tree. And let's add a disco ball ornament hanging across the top. Add a few pipe cleaners across the top, and you're done. Happy crafting! And it's time for the doll. Here is the Barbie signature, Mariah Carey Barbie. I bought this doll at Mattel Creations for $75. The front of the box has a large window, allowing us to see all the way around the doll. It says Mariah Carey in the front in silver. On the back of the box, there is a picture of Mariah Carey looking ready to start the season because it's time! Sorry, I couldn't help myself. I tried hitting that note like 5 times before, and I was like, I'm gonna destroy people's ears, so let's just cut that out. Ring in the holiday season with the Mariah Carey Barbie doll. Hailed as one of the best solo artists of all time, Barbie honors this top-charting singer, songwriter, and actress, notably known for her festive hits, including the classic All I Want for Christmas Is You. May your holiday wish come true. Love, Barbie and Mariah. All right, we can't wait any longer. Get this doll out of the box. Take care when unboxing the Mariah Carey doll. She comes with a certificate of authenticity, letting you know this is a black label doll, and a doll stand. Out of the box, the doll has brown and blonde hair, styled into large curls. They are a little crunchy and might require a little attention and styling out of the box. The doll has a side part. The face sculpt was made to Mariah Carey's likeness. She has expressive brown eyes, a large toothy grin, and a beauty mark. And it looks like her lips have a little golden shimmer. She comes with silver earrings. Are they removable? Yes. She wears a long red dress. It's sparkly, has long sleeves, a little gather at the hips with a large silver detail, a high split, and red heels. The dress is finished all the way around, and it velcros in the back. This dress is so festive. However, I did notice that this little gather right here, the fabric has a raw edge, and there might be some loose pieces or snagging. She comes wearing a butterfly ring and has a microphone, painted nails, and the basic 5 points of articulation, with movement at the head, shoulders, and hips. On Mattel Creations, her body type is labeled Music Muse, but I need Made to Move. So let's try this Made to Move Barbie. The match looks pretty close, so prepare the hot water. Place the dolls in a plastic bag, then into a cup of hot water until the head softens and can easily be removed. Place it onto the Made to Move body, and Mariah has elbows. I was curious to see if her curls would hold without the product, so I washed it out. I ended up with a light wave with a little curl on the end. Now let's see if the dress still fits. Oh yeah, not too bad. I might even try to get away with the shoes. And with her added articulation, we can give her different poses in our photography. If you are looking for more festive dresses for the holiday season, the Naturalista's Dana doll could help you out. I bought this doll at Target, and I used the Target app and got her for $8.99. She has been out for a minute, and we do have a full review on our channel. But she comes in this long gold dress, and I think we can totally rock it during the holidays. There is a logo going across the chest, but with a little patience, it can be removed. Warning, customizing clothes could possibly damage them. But now Mariah can do a quick wardrobe change between numbers and keep the concert going. And if you need more glitter, let's take Paige's dress from Naturalistas, do a little altering to go platinum. Wow, this is my new holiday Barbie. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Mariah Carey as a Barbie doll. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.